is to go over tonic triad chords in root position. So a tonic triad chord is the first note of a scale. So here's my C major scale. The first note is C. We also play the third note, 1, 2, 3. So in the scale of C major, that is E. And we also play the fifth note. So here's C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, G. So our tonic triad chord is C, E, G. Have a look at the light up keyboard so you can see which keys I am pressing. Use the video of my hands to help you with your fingering, and have a look at the music stave to see what the chord looks like. You might hear in my lessons myself calling these chords snowman chords. That's because they look like snowmen, these tonic triad chords in root position. Left hand, C, E, G, 1 octave below. So let's play C major, what we call a solid chord in both hands. If I were to play the notes one at a time, that's what we call the broken chord of C major. Now to make C major minor, we lower the middle note 1 semitone. C minor. Notice how C major has a bright sound and C minor has a spooky sound or a sad sound. Okay, now we're going to move on to D major. D major is D because that's the first note in the scale of D major. F sharp, the third note, and A, the fifth note. So find that chord in your left hand, D, F sharp, A. Now play both chords in each hand at the same time. D major, our happy chord. Now we're going to lower F sharp. We're going to make F sharp white, F natural, D minor. If I was to play the notes separate, that's our broken chord of D minor. Now we'll move on to E major, E, G sharp, B, and the same in the left hand, E, G sharp, B. So fingering in the left is still 5, 3, 1, thumb being 1. Right hand thumb is 1, 3, 5. Let's make this chord minor. Lower the middle note to become the white key G, G natural. Have a go at that. Same fingering. Okay, now we're going to move up to F major. F major is F, A, C. Same fingering, 1, 3, 5 in the right hand, 5, 3, 1 in the left. So have a go at F major. Now we're going to lower the middle note. The middle note is going to be lowered 1 semitone, 1 half tone to A flat. A is black key. Find that chord. Now we're going to move on to G major, which is G, B, D. Have a go at playing this chord in each hand. Same fingering. We are going to lower the middle note to become flat, B flat. So this is G minor. And then we're going to finish off with the chord of A major. So C is sharp in A major. We have A, C sharp, A, C sharp, A. Same fingering. Lower the middle note so that it becomes A minor. So have a go at playing through all of these chords, C to A, major and minor. Try solid and try a broken pattern. once you can do everything in this video, move on to the next chords video. I've got quite a lot of video on chords in my YouTube channel. Bye.